In this lecture, we'll learn about the typography utilities. With typography utilities, you can, for example, align the text, transform the characters, and change the font weight and style. Before we start, please be aware of the additional styling in the head tag that is used to better show these examples. You can easily make your text content justified by using the class TextJustify. To demonstrate this, we'll create a paragraph with some lorem ipsum text and add the class TextJustify. To better see this example in the browser, we'll wrap it in a div with the class ExampleJustify, which references the additional styling in the head tag. Now let's have a look in the browser. As we can see, the text in the paragraph are now justified. With another typography utility, you can make the text stay on a single line and not wrap. To demonstrate this, we'll simply change the class of our paragraph to text no wrap, and also change the class of our wrapping div to example no wrap. Let's have another look in the browser. Now we can see that all the text in the paragraph stays on one line. Now let's have a look at text alignment. You can change the alignment of text content by using the classes text left, text center, and text right. These can also be used in a responsive manner as we know it from other Bootstrap components and utilities. Let's delete our code and create some paragraphs with some lorem ipsum text. For paragraph number 1, we'll use the class textLeft. For paragraph number 2, we'll use the class textCenter. For paragraph number 3, we'll use the class textRight. For paragraph number 4, we'll use the class textSMCenter. For paragraph number 5, we'll use the class textMDRight. For paragraph number 6, we'll use the class textLGCenter. For paragraph number 7, we'll use the classes textRight and textXLLeft. When we look at it in the browser, we can see the different text alignment for each paragraph. The text in paragraph number 1 is aligned to the left. The text in paragraph number 2 is aligned to the center. The text in paragraph number 3 is aligned to the right. The text in paragraph number 4 is aligned to the center for small devices and up. The text in paragraph number 5 is aligned to the right for medium devices and up. The text in paragraph number 6 is aligned to the center for large devices and up. The text in paragraph number 7 is aligned to the right for all devices except for large devices and up, where the text is aligned to the left. Let's delete our code and see how we can transform the characters in our text. We can do this in the following 3 ways. With the class text lowercase, we can transform the characters to lowercase. With the class text uppercase, we can transform the characters to uppercase. With the class text capitalize, we can capitalize the characters. Let's see what it looks like in the browser. Finally, we can also easily change the font weight and font style. We'll delete our code and create 3 new paragraphs with the following classes: font weight normal, font weight bold, and font italic. When we look at it in the browser, we can see that the font weight and font style has been changed accordingly. We have now learned how to use the typography utilities. Go on and continue with the coding exercises, which will help you learn the correct structure for these utilities. In the next lecture, we'll learn about the vertical alignment utilities.